Okay, not the best lighting in here, but I have soaked down this beautiful tile and grout floor. Well, looks kind of dirty right now, so it doesn't look so beautiful, but I did a sample cleaning on some of this the other day over here, but I just did a quick sample. So I got my multi-wash here, sprayed down the floor with a little bit of Green Dragon from the end cap store. That works really well for me on a lot of floors. Just got done doing the entranceway, which has some really beautiful tile on it too, but I got so into the job I forgot to take before video. So here's before, well, semi before video. It's soaking a little bit right now, so the dirt is probably a little bit more alive. But here, let me go over to the other space. Okay, so here I am in the front entranceway. I see a couple of small spots that I've got to touch up, but let's see, the tile is nice and dry out here since it's sitting in the sunlight. I don't know if you can see that on there. Probably a little bit. There's some nice samples of the tile and grout part. The other parts of the tile and that were pretty caked with dirt before I did what I did. It looked considerably better, but I do need to go around the corners and edges still with a little bit of hand tool work. Get that type of junk out. And then go over it with a neutral floor cleaner so nothing is sticky and everything looks great. Since I didn't do the before pictures on this, can't really tell, but here's a small sample of an area where I couldn't reach at. You can see what the tile looked like everywhere compared to after I cleaned it. And yes, it kind of looks like there's little cracks all over the place. It got me a little nervous at first, but no, they're completely smooth. It's no cracks, no nothing. It's just how the tile is. This one's got a lot of little ridges in it where the dirt was hiding at. But everything is completely clean. Looks phenomenal. There's a couple spots in the grout line right here that I still need to touch up a little bit. But this is only day one. I just wanted to come out and do a little bit of quick work here on Black Friday. But I will be back out here on Sunday to do more of the tile and grout cleaning and get a opportunity to do the edging and the stuff that makes my work stand out a lot more than most people's in the market. Just for a general price range of what I charge for this type of work. This is a commercial establishment who I cannot mention, but I can show their floor. I've got these two spots. I've got the one kitchen area that you saw in the first video, or the first part of the video, I should say. And then I've got two other bathrooms that look similar to this. So you can see that's a bathroom. They're slightly bigger, but they're pretty dirty. So for all of that tiling grout, including all the corners and edging and around all the little nooks and crannies, I gave it to them for $700. Yeah, $700. And that I actually gave them at a discounted price because they're also a regular cleaning client of mine that I do the general cleaning for, the vacuuming, garbage cans, all that type of stuff. And then towards the end of the deal, when we were finalizing everything, we were talking about the carpet here in the entranceway. Get out of my shadow here. You can see it's a little dirty, basically about 4 feet in. So I'm gonna hit all of that for them in all the different doorways. And that tacked on another $200. So total job deal, $900. It's gonna take me probably, I don't know, 7 or 8 hours plus chemicals and equipment, and a lot of time down on my hands and knees doing detail work. So, not real cheap, but if you want quality work rarely is very cheap unless you've got somebody totally inexperienced and stupid in the marketplace.